In today's video, I'm making a custom PC power button using a small copper gong and a hammer. This project is purely for fun as there are endless possibilities you can custom build from your PC. To connect the gong and the hammer to the PC, I need this power switch cable which you can get it online cheaply. Please consider subscribing for more fun projects in the future. To connect the wire to the gong, first I need to drill a hole on the side of the gong. Then I solder the wire directly to the back of the gong. To hold the wire in place, I apply hot glue so that it will be more secure. To check whether there is a good conductivity, we can do the continuity test using multimeter. If there is a long beep, means it's good to go. The other wire will be soldered directly to the hammer, followed by the continuity test. Then hot glue is applied to secure the wire. To protect the handle, I covered it with badminton grip, which is perfect. At this point, it's pretty much done, but now it's time to test it out. I will use it on my DIY shelf PC from previous project. If you haven't watched the video, I'll put the link in the description. Simply connect the header to the power pin, then hang the gong using a hook. Now, let's see if it's working. The LED should light up if it's turned on. Nice, it's working. The only downside I can see here is that the hanging gong is somehow out of place, but it's not too bad and it's still a fun project. In future power button mod project, I'll be using Arduino because this thing is small, but the possibilities are endless. Plus it's very fun to play with. So don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss any interesting project in the future.